In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund TikTok Shop items. If you've made a purchase on TikTok Shop and something isn't right, this walkthrough will help you start a refund request quickly and confidently. First, open your TikTok account on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and your app is up to date, so everything you see matches what I describe. A stable internet connection also helps the process run smoothly. Once you're in TikTok, head to the Shop section. You'll find the Shop tab along the bottom of the screen. It usually looks like a shopping bag icon. Tap that to enter the shopping area. From here, look for Orders. This is where TikTok keeps your purchase history, so you can review all the items you've bought through TikTok Shop. Tap Orders to open your list. Find the item you want to refund. Take a second to double-check you've selected the correct order, especially if you've purchased similar items. When you're on that order's details page, look for the option that says Request Refund. Tap Request Refund to begin. Now the app will ask you to choose a reason for your refund. Select the option that best describes your situation. Being accurate and clear here helps the process go faster and ensures your request is handled correctly. After choosing the reason, simply follow the prompts on your screen. Depending on your selection, TikTok may guide you through a few quick questions or ask for a brief explanation. Keep your description straightforward and focused on the issue with the item. As you move through the on-screen steps, the app will indicate what's needed, and you can review your entries before proceeding. If the app offers a place to add a note, keep it concise and relevant. Once you've provided the requested details, tap Continue. This confirms your refund request and submits it for review. After you tap Continue, you'll typically see a confirmation message in the app. You can return to your Orders page anytime to check the status of your request. If anything changes, that's where you'll see updates first, and that's it. To recap the flow, open your TikTok account, go to Shop, tap Orders, select the correct purchase, choose Request Refund, pick your reason, follow the prompts, and tap. Continue to submit. Keep your information clear, stay within the app's guidance, and you'll be on your way to resolving the issue. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you navigate refunds on TikTok Shop with confidence.